Click on the link below to get price. The DDC SPORT 24-foot electric bike is a game-changer for adults seeking an efficient and enjoyable mode of transportation. Its standout feature is the powerful 1000W peak motor, which provides a remarkable boost, making climbs and longer distances feel effortless. The bike can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, allowing riders to traverse urban environments swiftly or tackle more rugged terrains without breaking a sweat. One of the highlights of the DDC Sport is its 48V removable lithium-ion battery, which is a thoughtful design choice. The battery can be easily removed for convenient charging, meaning you can charge it at home or bring it into the office. With an impressive range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, this bike is perfect for commuters or weekend adventurers who enjoy longer rides without the fear of running out of power. The 24-inch wheels provide a smooth and stable ride, enhancing maneuverability in tight spaces while still offering a comfortable experience on larger pathways. The bike is equipped with front and rear disc brakes, ensuring reliable stopping power even at higher speeds. This safety feature is crucial for urban riding and adds to the overall confidence of the user. The design of the DDC Sport is sleek and modern, available in various colors to suit different styles. The frame is sturdy yet lightweight, making it easy to handle. The adjustable seat and handlebars offer a customizable fit for various rider heights, promoting comfort during longer journeys. In terms of assembly, the bike comes mostly pre-assembled, requiring minimal effort to get it ready for the road. The user manual is straightforward, making the setup process hassle-free. Overall, the DDC Sport 24-foot electric bike combines power, practicality, and style. It is an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their daily commute or enjoy leisurely rides while experiencing the benefits of electric biking. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or new to electric bikes, the DDC Sport is sure to impress.